Shri Bhagwati presents Wraparound Labeling Machine. A wraparound labeling machine is a type of industrial machinery used in packaging and labeling processes. It is designed to apply labels onto the surfaces of various products, containers, or packages by wrapping the label around them. This type of labeling is commonly used for cylindrical or curved surfaces like bottles, jars, cans, tubes, and other similar items. Wraparound labeling machines offer several advantages, including efficient label application, high accuracy, and consistency in labeling, which is crucial for branding and regulatory compliance in industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and more. When operating a wraparound labeling machine, proper training and understanding of the machine's settings and controls are essential to ensure optimal performance and prevent errors. Regular maintenance and calibration are also important to maintain the machine's accuracy and reliability over time. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.